Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to beautiful Santee Lake 2. I know this is what you want to see, the drifter. So we're going to run the drifter and see what happens. I cleared off a little launch area here so I can get out without getting crap in my props. And here we go. Landed it. I think this thing might be overpowered. I think I need to move the CG forward a bit too. Seems a little light in the bow. But there you go, boys and girls. The micro drifter. With twin new motors. Yeah, I think a little forward on the CG will help, but I think it's overpowered. Sure sounds like a jet to me. Once the initial punch from the batteries wear off, it's about right. Well, I think I'll do one more pass and we'll check temps. What do you think, boys and girls? Does it scoot for a 2S boat? That's 2S. By the way, I forgot to tell you folks, that's 2S. Oh, I'm dragging some crap. That's what slowed it down. Okay, boys and girls, jet out. Hello once again, boys and girls. We're out here at Santee Lakes, and we are going to run for the benefit of Oliver Seiss. We are going to run the Mozilla 400 with the longer rudder. And the rudder trim doesn't look quite right, but we'll deal that in. And I added a tiny bit of weight to the flood chamber, so hopefully it will be self-righting. We'll try it out at the end of this run. Well, it still spins out a bit, but it's much better. And it might be just a fun little basher like this. Hey, watch this. Uh-oh, was that a thermal cutoff? Was that flotsam on the prop? A little bit of crap hanging there. Let's see. Yeah, it's not happy. Okay, boys and girls. Jet out.